We notice the first fraction, 25/7. The 25 is larger than the 7, so we have to divide it out. There are 3 groups of 7 in 25 with 4 left over, so it's 3 4/7. The next one, it's not improper, but if I use my divisibility rules, I know 3 goes into both of them. So that means my top number is 13. My bottom number is 17. Next one, we are finding the product. Bigger sheet of paper for it. So practice. 0 times 4 is 0. 4 times 3 is 12. Put a 1, 2. It's 36 plus 7 is, or excuse me, 36 plus 1 is 37, so it's 37. 16 plus 3 is 19. Placeholder. 8 times 0 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 9 is 27, plus 2 is 29. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 2 is 34. 2 placeholders. 0, 3, 9, 4. Add them up. 0, 2, 11. Pound of chicken to cook for dinner. She's going to split the chicken between 3 people. So how much chicken does each person get? She starts out with 7/10. That's how much she has. She's dividing it among 3 people, but remember we have to put a 1 up under it to make it a fraction. We're going to use our keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction. Change it from multiplication to division. Flip the second fraction. So that is 7 over 30. Next, we have to do chat. I didn't get this one ready first, so let's quickly write this down. 28,395 divided 15. Yep, 28 one time. That's 15. That leaves me 133. Need to keep going. 105, 120, 135. 135 is too big, so I'm going to use this 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to put an 8, subtract 120. That's going to be that. And we're bringing down a 9. Well, if I add 15 more to this, that's 150. So we're going to use this 135, which happens to be 9. Leaves me a 4. Drag down the 5. There it is. That's the third one. 1,893. Okay. Next one. We are adding decimals. We have to make sure we line them up. There is not a decimal on 928, so decimal is behind the 8, like this. And you are going to have to add 2 zeros. That's 89, 8, 6, 17. So 1,768 and 89 hundredths. Yeah. All right. Let's go to the second half of this sheet. It's the greatest common factor of 72 and 36. We need factors. Factors of 72. Did I do that right? Just real. Times 7 doesn't, but 8 and 9 do. Okay, now let's try 36. We got 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9. Okay, 18 is it. No, 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 no. 36 is it. Look there. I about missed it. 36 is our greatest common factor. Okay. Next, we have to write the ratio of beach balls to goggles in simplest form. So, beach balls are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beach balls to 1, 2, 3 goggles. We still have to write it as a fraction. Although it would be a whole number, we still have to write it as a fraction. We're dividing each one of these by 3. So it's 3 to 1. 3 beach balls for every set of glasses. So if you look at the picture, you can kind of see that. There are 3 beach balls for every one set of glasses. Okay? All right? Jesse competes in hot dog eating contests. He can eat 32 hot dogs in 8 minutes. So how many hot dogs can he eat in 12 minutes? So he can eat 32 hot dogs in 8 minutes. We got to figure out how many he can eat in 12 minutes. Look, y'all, if we can find this pattern here, that's times 4. So all I got to do is go this way and do times 4. So that's 48 hot dogs. Whew, that's a lot of hot dogs. 48 hot dogs. Makes me full just thinking about it. Okay, let's go to the next one. We have a group of 150 dancers that are auditioning for a dance show. 62% did not get on the show. So how many dancers didn't get on the show? All right, so this is just multiplication. We're multiplying our 150 times 62%. But to do that, you have to turn your percent into a decimal. So we have 150 times decimal 62. Okay, so that's 0, 0, carry 1, that's 3. Placeholder, 0, 0, carry 3. So 93 people did not get on the show. So that's 93 dancers. Okay. All right.